Hey everybody, I'm Tom. Happy New Year, happy 2020. Today we're going to take a look at the GoPro Karma drone. I'm not going to show you a review. I've done those. I've given you my good opinions. I've given you my bad opinions. Today I'm simply flying it in 2020 with a GoPro Hero 7 Black, and hopefully by the end of this video, after seeing the footage, me telling you how the drone itself flies, my personal experiences, you're going to be able to look and go, yeah, that drone's for me, or no, I'm gonna hold out for something else. You guys might have seen my latest GoPro Karma video talking about the GPS issue. Today is January 14th and the update was released today. The GoPro's already been updated, the camera's updated, the drone, the stabilizer, everything is ready to go. So the first thing we're gonna record, video mode wise, is aspect 16:9. Resolution is going to be 4K. 60 frames with a wide field of view because wide is the only thing that you can film in 60. All right, and we're recording.
Ready, 3, 2, 1.
We're hovering. So under our 4K resolutions, we can shoot in 60 frames, 30 frames, and 24 frames a second, and we only have the option of shooting in wide. So the one thing about this drone that I remember is that it was delayed a little bit when turning. So I'm gonna check that now and see how we're doing. It seems like this is a lot better with the update. I mean, maybe it's just me being optimistic, but this looks great. We're gonna do some nice pans in 4K. It is a little choppy, but we're right on the edge of probably how far out we should be. About 410 feet away. Okay, here we go. We're gonna go up, come back. So at the suggestion of other YouTube users or viewers, I switched this drone to sport mode and it flies a lot nicer now. The next mode we're gonna be recording in is 2.7K. We're gonna keep it at 60 frames and we're gonna shoot in linear now. So it's gonna look a little nicer, I think, not so fisheye-like. Let's put it up. We're recording. In 2.7K, we have the option of shooting in 120, 60, 30, and 24 frames a second. We have the option of shooting linear, wide, and super view. I think shooting with the GoPro Hero 7 Black, the smartest thing you can do is shoot 2.7K. Probably the cleanest shots you're gonna be able to get, and you're gonna have that nice linear field of view with super high def video. This drone really does rocket around. I forgot how fast it goes. All right, and that's 2.7K. And now we're gonna switch to 1080p. We're also gonna keep this linear just to keep it kind of consistent. I feel like if you're gonna shoot regular drone footage, you're better off using linear. It's more, I feel like it's more screen friendly while you're trying to make film. All right, and now we're recording 1080p, 60 frames a second in linear. Put this guy up. We can also shoot 1080p in 240, 120, 60, 30, and 24 frames a second. Hopefully you can tell I'm trying to keep a similar flight path so you guys are able to see roughly the difference in quality and how the drone is performing. I'm taking it roughly about 400 to 500 feet away every time, and it seems to be, it's right around the max right now is 455 before it starts getting really choppy. Gosh, this thing flies. I know my only other comparative drone is the Mavic Pro, but it's unbelievable. It really is unbelievable how much faster it goes. Our field of views can either be linear, wide, or super view. But that's it, guys. I just wanted to be able to show you a couple different options for video with the GoPro Hero 7 Black and the GoPro Karma drone. Happy 2020. Let me know in the comments what you guys end up getting for drones. I'm totally curious. There's a lot of great stuff out on the market. 2020 is definitely a year to buy a prosumer drone, if you will. And I'm excited to make more content. So if you're into this, if you like drones, tech, gadgets, vlogs maybe, make sure you hit subscribe, ring that bell, and I hope to see you in the next video. These are a couple of more Karma drone videos. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.